Create a new file. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Create a new layer. Select the Paint Bucket tool and pick a color. Click on the canvas to paint this layer. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 4 columns and 2 rows. The gutter should be 0 pixels. Select the Horizontal Type tool. Pick a font and text color. And type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. Resize the text and place it in the center of the canvas. Select the Rectangle tool. Select Path. Then select the top half of the canvas. Select the Curvature Pen tool. Use the guidelines to curve the path. If you get a notification, you can select Yes. Create a wave. Select Make Selection. Select Layer 1 and add a layer mask. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate this layer. Select the mask of the layer copy and select Invert. Place the layer copy above the text layer. Right-click on the layer copy and select Create Clipping Mask. Select the background layer. Select the Paint Bucket tool. Make the foreground color the same color as the text. Paint the background. And that's how you create this split color text effect.